a hint of fall in the air, but it has all of my attention. It makes me it makes me need to make soup, gallons of soup, mountains of soup, to feed everyone. And maybe finally learn to knit. Instead of doing those things, though, I'm making plans to park my car to walk through the winter ahead. I always wanted to live here in this town that I love without a car. It's what I envisioned 5 years ago when I moved here. And then things happened, like COVID, and, well, the hurried passage of time. 5 years already. My, oh my. I'm well aware that I'm running out of years to go on a winter walkabout. And it's not like I really have to walk everywhere if I park my car. There are Ubers and taxis and buses or trains, and there are friends and family with cars, although I've already pledged to spare them as much as possible. I'm not at all sad about not having a car. I love the idea of trading in insurance payments, oil changes, gasoline, and repairs for a bus pass. And just in case I change my mind, I'm just tucking the car away for a while. I know it's easy to romanticize about a walkabout when winter isn't really biting our toes or fingers, but I have coats and gloves and good socks and shoes and a vague memory of what it's like to breathe in a winter while on foot instead of in a car.